Hi guys! In this video, we'll be discussing the step-by-step guide on how to book IRCTC train tickets and Tatkal tickets. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned traveler, this guide will help you get your tickets quickly and easily. So, let's get started. Step 1. Register on IRCTC. The first step is to register on the IRCTC website. Go to irctc.co.in and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've registered, you can log into the website and proceed to the next step. Step 2. Plan your trip. Once you're logged in, you need to plan your trip by entering the source station, destination station, and date of travel. You can also select the preferred class of travel and the number of passengers. Step 3. Select train and coach. Next, you'll be shown a list of available trains. Select the one that best suits your needs and click on Book Now. You'll then be able to choose the coach and seat number of your preference. Step 4. Fill in passenger details. In this step, you'll need to enter the details of the passengers who will be traveling with you. Make sure you enter all the information correctly, as it can't be changed later. Step 5. Payment and confirmation. Now, you'll need to make the payment for your ticket. You can do this through a variety of payment options, including credit card, debit card, net banking, and UPI. Once the payment is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation message, and you can take a printout of the ticket for your reference. Step 6. Tatkal booking. For those of you who want to book Tatkal tickets, the process is slightly different. You'll need to log into the IRCTC website and select the Tatkal option from the menu. The rest of the process is similar to booking IRCTC tickets, and you'll be able to choose the preferred class of travel and fill in the passenger details. And that's it. That's a complete step-by-step guide to IRCTC ticket and Tatkal ticket booking. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.